Today we have the 2021 Mazda CX-5. This vehicle has done just over 81,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as hands-free calling and automatic headlights. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access communication, entertainment and information, as well as navigation and our settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have the dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side, our heated steering wheel to the left and our keyless ignition to the right. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our sunroof.